On April 4, 1968, America reeled from the tragic news of Martin Luther King, Jr.'s assassination. In a moment of profound national crisis, Robert F. Kennedy delivered an impromptu speech that would echo through history, urging a grieving nation towards unity and understanding, rather than succumbing to anger and division. Join us as we revisit this pivotal address, a powerful testament to leadership and hope in the face of despair, and reflect on its enduring message for justice and peace. On a somber evening in Indianapolis, Robert F. Kennedy delivered the devastating news: Martin Luther King, Jr. had been assassinated. Facing a crowd filled with shock and potential unrest, Kennedy chose a path of profound empathy and reason. He acknowledged the deep anger and sorrow that such a tragedy would ignite, especially within the Black community, but passionately urged against succumbing to bitterness or violence. His immediate call was for calm, understanding, and a commitment to nonviolence, setting a tone of measured grief and hopeful resilience in a moment that could have easily erupted into chaos. In a deeply personal moment, Robert F. Kennedy shared his own profound experience of loss, revealing that his brother had been assassinated by a white man. This raw, honest confession allowed him to connect with the audience on a deeply human level, bridging the gap between leader and grieving citizens. By sharing his own pain, Kennedy demonstrated an unparalleled empathy, showing that he understood their feelings of anger, frustration, and despair. This shared vulnerability was a powerful tool, transforming a political address into a heartfelt plea for unity and a testament to the human capacity for compassion, even in the darkest of times. Kennedy's speech transcended the immediate tragedy, offering a powerful vision for the future of America. He passionately declared that the nation's true need was not for division, hatred, or violence, but for love, wisdom, and compassion. He urged the audience to strive for a feeling of justice towards one another, emphasizing that true progress comes from understanding and working together. His call to action was clear: to dedicate themselves to the ideals that Martin Luther King, Jr. fought for, to return home and pray for peace, and to commit to building a more just and equitable society. This was not just a response to a crisis, but a blueprint for a better nation. Robert F. Kennedy concluded his historic address with a profound message of hope and a timeless call to action. Quoting the ancient Greek tragedian Aeschylus, he urged the audience to tame the savageness of man and make gentle the life of this world. This powerful appeal underscored his belief that even in the face of immense sorrow and injustice, humanity has the capacity to choose a path of peace and understanding. Kennedy's speech was not merely a eulogy for a fallen leader, but a rallying cry for a nation to heal, to unite, and to dedicate itself to the pursuit of a more compassionate and just society, ensuring that Martin Luther King, Jr.'s legacy would continue to inspire generations. Robert F. Kennedy's impromptu speech, following the assassination of Martin Luther King, Jr. stands as a beacon of hope and a powerful call for unity in the face of tragedy. His words, delivered with raw emotion and profound empathy, urged a grieving nation to choose compassion over hatred, understanding over division. The speech not only honored King's legacy, but also laid a path forward for a society grappling with immense pain. As we reflect on this historic moment, Kennedy's message reminds us of our collective responsibility to strive for justice, peace, and a more humane world, ensuring that the sacrifices of leaders like King and Kennedy were not in vain. Let their vision continue to inspire us to build a future where love and wisdom prevail,